Hello everyone. So in this equation, we are asked to express y in terms of x, given that 2 log y to base 5 minus 3 log x squared to base 5 is equal to log root of y to base 5 plus log x to base 5. So you have that 2 log y to base 5 minus 3 log x squared to base 5 is equal to log root of y to base 5 plus log x to base 5. Now at this point, recall that from our laws of logarithm, if I have n multiplied by log m to base p, this can be expressed as log m raised to the power of n to base p. So for my equation, we can have it that this becomes log y raised to the power of 2 to base 5 minus log x squared raised to the power of 3 to base 5 equal to log y raised to the power of 1 divided by 2 to base 5 plus log x to base 5. So at this point, we are asked to express y in terms of x. So we collect like terms. So if you collect like terms, the equation becomes log y squared to base 5 minus log y raised to the power of 1 divided by 2 to base 5, because when this crosses over the equality sign, it becomes negative, equal to log x to base 5 plus log s squared raised to the power of 3 to base 5. Now, at this point, we can apply the addition and subtraction law of logarithm. So recall that for the subtraction law, if I have log m to base b minus log n to base b, this can be expressed as log m divided by n to base b. Also, for the addition law, if I have log m to base b plus log n to base b, this can also be expressed as log m times n to base b. So we apply this law in our right hand side and apply this other law in our left hand side. So the equation now reduces to log y squared divided by y raised to the power of 1 divided by 2, or in base b, equal to log x multiplied by x squared all raised to the power of 3. Now, if I have y raised to the power of 2 divided by y raised to the power of 1 divided by 2, from our laws of indices, this can be expressed as y raised to the power of 2 minus 1 divided by 2. So this is equal to y raised to the power of 3 divided by 2. Also, if I have x squared all raised to the power of 3, this can also be expressed as 2 times 3 being 6. So x is raised to the power of 6. So from the simplification we have done here, we can now have that the equation at the left-hand side becomes log y raised to the power of 3 divided by 2, or in base b, equal to log x multiplied by x raised to the power of 6. So this is also equal to log y raised to the power of 3 divided by 2 all in base b equal to log x times x raised to the power of 6 is x raised to the power of 7 all in base b. So please, this is base b. Thank you. So at this point, since their bases are the same, the equation becomes y raised to the power of 3 divided by 2 equal to x raised to the power of 7. So at this point, if we multiply the equation by 2 divided by 3 and multiply the right hand side by 2 divided by 3, so 2 cancel out 2 and 3 cancel out 3, so y will be equal to, now we know that if we have a raised to the power of 2 divided by 3, this can be expressed as root 3 a raised to the power of 2. So therefore, if we apply this at this point, the right hand side becomes root 3 s raised to the power of 7 or raised to the power of 2. So at this point, we have been able to express y in terms of x. So if you know you found the video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel. And also go through our playlist. There are other logarithmic questions that you can solve to strengthen your mathematics knowledge. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.